The fifth Google Site tutorial is how to embed a calendar and links. So we have already gone through how to create your initial website, how to add pages, how to change the theme, and how to add basic information. So now I'm going to show you what I think is the most beneficial thing about this Google site. You can insert a calendar. So right here at the front on my main web page, I'm going to add the calendar. I'm going to add my Fort Hays calendar just because that is the account that I used. Normally I would use my school Google Calendar, so then all of the due dates would be in the calendar. You can change the look of the calendar, so I can get rid of the title, I can show the date, and then I can format it by the week or the month or an agenda view. So if I do the weekly view, then my kids can see when different things are due. Again, you can not duplicate, you can edit the background. So if you want it to stand out, you can do that, or leave it regular. I also am going to add this slide into my class information page, simply because I want my students to not have an excuse as to why they couldn't find when something was due. So it's just one easy step. You come down here, you click Insert. I want to edit it. I don't want my name, but I want the date. And this time I'm going to do the agenda view. So there you have it, the nice easy way to add a calendar. You can also add a map, or I showed you in the previous video how to add a YouTube video, and you can add things from your Google Drive. If I wanted to add a syllabus for my class, or if I wanted to add a rubric, I would just click on the Google Docs, click on the module that I wanted to add. Let's just say I'm going to add that one, and insert, and there is my Google Doc. You can rearrange it, you can make it smaller, you can make it larger. So I could make the rubric, and then the kids would have access to look at the rubric for, let's say, a project or something. So there you go, 2 simple ways to embed either a calendar or a Google Doc.